Hello everyone, I'm Giancarlo L. Aberilla and I'm here to discuss the MARPOL 7378 and the annexes. The MARPOL 7378 is international treaty addressing marine pollution. It consists of 6 annexes. Annex 1, regulation for the prevention for pollution by oil. It aims to minimize oil pollution from ships. Annex 2, regulation for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substance in bulk. It regulates carriage and discharge of harmful liquid substance. Annex 3, prevention of pollution by harmful substance carried by sea in package form. It deals with pollution prevention from packaged substance. Annex 4, prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. It sets standard for sewage discharge from ship. Annex 5, prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. It addresses disposal of ship-generated garbage. And Annex 6, prevention of air pollution from ship. It controls emission of air pollutants from ships, including sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide. This annex collectively aims to reduce marine pollution and protect the marine environment worldwide. Thank you.